What's the meaning of argon? Argon. Argon.
Argon. Argon. Argon is a chemical element with the symbol Ar and atomic number 18. It is in group 18 of the periodic table and is a noble gas. Argon is the third most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere, making up about 0.934% of the Earth's atmosphere and is used in various applications such as welding, lighting and as an insulating gas in windows. Argon is also used in scientific research to provide an inert atmosphere for experiments that involve reactive or flammable materials. Overall, argon has various important industrial and scientific applications.